All right, going to be taking a look at AVXL. AVXL, the last time that we went over this one, last time I went over this one for the chart is going to be on April 19th. That's going to bring you guys back to right here. So it could be setting up for another move here, in my opinion, to break a 595. Distance at 590, 595, and 630. That's where we're going to have those at that time. With that being said, support at 567 and 554. All over the board. You guys came back down here with this channel. The channel between 594 and down here at 560. Played around there for about a week and a half. And then broke through, got up to that 617 twice. 617 twice. Just could not get above it. Brought you guys back down to 20-day simple moving average. And right now you guys are bouncing off of that. With that being said, you guys have some gaps around here. Again, you guys are in the multi-dollar area. I'm not going to be too sweating those, that is for sure. You guys might be coming back down to the 10-day simple moving average right now at 592. We're going to be watching for a possible bounce off of there with volume coming in to push you guys past that $6. That seems to be the area with this one right now. Currently having a hard time getting through is at $6 for the last 2 days, 3 days rather. Break through that 617 area, could be a rally from there. Let Joe take over. He is ready.
All right, so these guys, Anavex reports fiscal second quarter 2017 financial results, and that was on May 10th. So Anavex Life Sciences Corp, and they're traded on NASDAQ with the ticker symbol AVXL, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company developing differentiated therapeutics for the treatment of neurodegenerative and neurodevelopmental diseases, including Alzheimer's disease, other central nervous system diseases, pain, and various types of cancer. Reported on May 10th, reported their financial results for the fiscal quarter ended March 31st, 2017. So their financial highlights were cash and equivalents of $23.4 million at March 31st, 2017, compared to $9.2 million at September 30th, 2016. During the first 6 months of fiscal year 2017, Anavex used $3.9 million in cash to fund operations after receipt of $2.1 million in research and development and incentive income. So operating expenses of approximately $3.6 million compared to approximately $2.2 million for the comparative quarter. This increase was a result of increased spending on research and development and clinical preparatory activities. So net loss for the quarter of approximately $1.5 million or 0.04 per share compared to a net loss of approximately $2 million or 0.6 per share for the comparative quarter. So the statement from the CEO, it was, "We are continuing 2017 with a stronger balance sheet than the previous quarter and a strengthened corporate team," said Christopher U. Missling, PhD, President and Chief Executive Officer of Anavex. "We are on track to initiate placebo-controlled efficiency and safety trials this year in Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, as well as Rett syndrome, for which Anavex 2-73 was granted Orphan Drug Designation, ODD, by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration." So then they go on to their corporate highlights and everything else. So that's all right there for you guys to go and check out. So if you want to continue doing your due diligence on AVXL, just go right over to that board on Investor Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, which I was just reading from with that May 10th one. And you could actually continue reading on that one because it was more extensive. You'll see the filings as well, the financials, the buy rating. And if you have an opinion on it, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using Investors Hangout daily by posting right over there on that board.
All right, AVXL, like Joe was just saying, completely free here at your fingertips. All the news, and right here, obviously, all you got to do is click it. It'll pop the headline up right at you. Boom, you can cover a lot of news really quick. And remember, with the chart, $5.99, you guys are up there right now. I said a $5.98 watch, resistance at 6 and 617, break that 617. Fireworks could pop here a little bit here. Again, my personal opinion, support at $5.92 and $5.85. Going to be those support levels following up under there with that 30 and 20-day simple moving average as well. Those are going to be the ones that we're watching. But for AVXL, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and get out there and share this video with all other investors on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we cover it. If you'd like to participate in our next live show, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.